In your data analysis report, it asks you to make two histograms, and you can choose, you have to do both of these questions. How long is your shower and how long does it take you to get to work or school? So you can use this table, these survey results here to help you. When you're doing a histogram, as it looks in here, you need to be able to come up with intervals, and you need to have between 5 and 10 intervals ideally. So the easiest way to help you to come up with intervals is to highlight up here where you see A, you're going to see a little arrow. If you click that arrow, you can sort it from A to Z. And what that does is it puts your answers in numerical order. What that allows you to do is it better helps you figure out intervals and helps you to figure out how many people would be in each interval. So for example here, you want to have between 5 and 10 intervals. Your highest number is 30, your lowest number is 2. So that means your range is 28. So if you want between 5 and 10 intervals, what you usually do is you would do 28 divided by 5, okay? Or you would do 28 divided by 10 or somewhere in between there. Now, because 28 is a really nice number divisible by 7, that would work. The other thing to think about is because your highest number is 30, you could just do something like, as an example, 0 to 4.9, and then 5 to 9.9, and then 10 to 14.9, and so on. Okay, and you can get yourself all the way up to 30. Actually, it would be better to go 0 to 5, and then 5.1 to 10. That way you're going to capture 30 right on. The reason why you can't just say 0 to 5 and then 5 to 10 would be, where would you put your answer of 10? Would you put it, which one would you put it in? So you have to make sure you create intervals that don't have an overlap. And so when you're creating these intervals, then all you need to do once you've sorted those numbers from smallest to biggest is just count. So for example, if my first interval is 0 to 5, I'm just going to count all of the people that were 0 to 5. And there's from 1 to 20, so there are 20 people. And I can put that in my table. Okay, then 5.1 to 10, so that means I'm counting from 6 all the way up, so starting at 21 all the way to 51. So again, you would count how many people that is, and so on and so forth. So one of the easiest things to do is to sort them and identify your intervals, and that will help you to complete this table here.